quality ba talaga ang trending seamless panty? Well, I got you my friend. Ang isang product ay nagiging trending dahil ito ay popular sa maraming tao. Malalaman nating ito ay trending kung ito ay may malaking search volume sa iba't ibang social media platforms. Kagaya ng TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, at YouTube, at sa mga e-commerce platform kagaya ng Shopee at Lazada. Dahil sa maraming kakompetensya ang mga reseller, gumagamit sila ng price-cutting strategy. Ito ay ang pagbibigay ng mataas na discount sa kanilang product para sa kanila bumili ang maraming customer. Kaya mapapansin nyo na ang trending product ay nasa lowest price. Now, let's back to our trending product. Ang trending seamless panty are very comfortable to use. Dahil ito ay made of silk, which is soft, breathable, and hypoallergenic material that reduce the incidence of having vaginal infections. At ito ay isang seamless design, which is no visible stitching and no visible panty line. This design helped to reduce rubbing or minimize friction, which lessen the chance of skin rashes. This kind of underwear is made with super lightweight and stretchy silk that mold to your body and help prevent wedges. Kaya naman ito ay very safe and feeling fresh all day. Ang ating best seller ay ang Rian Shop. Ang Rian Shop ay may 3,600,000 rating, that is 4.8 out of 5 stars. Siya din ay may 973,000 Shopee followers. Recently, siya ay may 292 different product. Ang trending product na ito ay nakapag-generate ng almost 1 million sales. At ito ay may 95,000 rating. Magkano ba ang offered price ng ating best seller sa trending product na ito? Well, to find out, just click the link below to earn almost 80% discount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Overall review, satisfied naman ang mga recent buyers. Thanks for watching, stay positive, stay safe.